G'day there guys, Eric here from Weller's Auctions. We have a massive auction coming up for you next week on Wednesday the 18th of October. We have a huge unreserved, completely unreserved auction of commercial kitchen and catering equipment. Everything from commercial Hobart mixers to fridges, freezers, everything in between, ladies and gentlemen. Completely unreserved, all the stock must go. So make sure you get registered at www.wellersauctions.com and we look forward to seeing you at the auction. And make sure you stay tuned for a preview on what's coming up in the auction.